Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by equipping a glider and checking stamina. Make sure it's at least 50% so you have room to correct. Tap jump to leave the ground, then immediately hold the glide button to enter sustained flight. This prevents falling damage. Once airborne, angle your camera to match travel direction. Smooth inputs reduce wobble. If you see an updraft or wind gate, steer into it to gain altitude quickly. These first actions set the rhythm for controlled, repeatable flight. Now you refine control. Use short taps to make small height corrections and longer holds for sustained lift. This is how you control descent versus climb. Once stable, combine glide with a directional dash or boost to preserve horizontal speed, especially through narrow corridors. Keep an eye on stamina and skill cooldowns. Plan bursts so you don't stall midair. Adjust camera to anticipate turns. Smooth, incremental inputs prevent overcorrection. Practice these combos until they feel natural and predictable. To finish, slow down and pitch up slightly just before touchdown to bleed speed and achieve a softer landing. If you need extra distance, apply a last-second boost to extend glide by 1 to 2 seconds. This helps clear obstacles. Make sure you land facing the safe zone to avoid stagger. If flight feels off, reset control sensitivity or rebind flight inputs, and verify you aren't affected by movement debuffs. This troubleshooting tip usually fixes the most common flight issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.